Excuse me, is the seat free?
Yes, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. This place is really busy today.
Yeah, evenings are always crowded here.
Do you come here often?
Pretty often. I usually come after work to relax.
Same here. I like the coffee and the atmosphere.
Me too. What did you order?
A caramel latte. What about you?
A cappuccino and a muffin.
Nice choice. Their muffins are really good.
I know. I always order one.
So, what do you do?
I work in graphic design.
That sounds creative.
It is, but sometimes it's stressful.
I understand. I work in digital marketing, so deadlines are stressful for me too.
Really? That sounds interesting.
It's fun most of the time.
What do you usually do there?
I manage social media and online advertisements.
That actually sounds cool.
Thanks. What kind of designs do you make?
Mostly logos, posters, and social media posts.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. Sometimes I paint.
Painting?
That's interesting. I'm not very good, but I enjoy it.
That's what matters. I like photography and traveling.
Oh, photography sounds fun.
Yeah, especially nature photography.
I love nature too.
Rainy weather is my favorite for taking pictures.
Same here. Coffee and rain are the perfect combination.
Absolutely.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I went to the mountains last month.
Really? How was it?
It was amazing. The view was beautiful.
I want to visit the mountains someday.
You should. It's very peaceful there.
I usually travel to beaches instead.
Beaches are relaxing too.
My dream is to visit Italy one day.
Same here. I really want to see Rome and Venice.
And the food there must be incredible.
Definitely. Pizza and pasta every day.
Sounds perfect.
By the way, your English is really good.
Thank you. I practice a lot.
How do you practice?
Mostly by watching movies and speaking in English.
That's a good idea.
What about you?
I listen to podcasts and read English articles.
Speaking is the hardest part for me.
Same here. Sometimes I feel nervous.
But practice really helps.
Absolutely.